In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into cPanel. So the first thing you want to do is simply type in cPanel on Google and then look for the cpanel.net link. And once you find it, you want to click on it. And then over here, you want to use cookies or not. So we can allow all or just allow selection. It doesn't matter, just pick one. And then what you want to then do is go up here to where it says account login, and then wait for the website to load in, and there we go. As you can see, it says authentication required, and you want to enter in your email and your password. Now, in case you don't have this, you want to create your account by clicking over here where it says create your account or create an account, and then you have to put in all your information. So the first name, last name, email, phone number, the billing address, and then account security, of course, and you can then select whether you want to join their mailing list or not. And then once you've done this, you have to agree to the terms of service and press register. And once you've registered, you will have to then confirm or kind of approve and verify your email by just going to your email and then click and verify over there. And once you've done this, you can go back to the previous site where we press login. You type in your email and then your password that you have just set, and then press login, and that's how you log into cPanel.